Hi guys! Welcome back to Top 10 Republic, where you will enjoy learning things while watching. In this video, we are going to feature TikTok franchise business packages. Reminder, please watch the whole video to get the important information you need to franchise with TikTok. TikTok is one of the fastest growing milk tea franchise in the Philippines. Originated from the town of Morong in the province of Rizal, they finally introduced the first ever TikTok branch to their hometown back in 2019. TikTok offers authentic and quality Taiwanese milk teas and delectable snacks. With celebrity endorsers and influencers, franchisees TikTok indeed has a strong brand recall. Currently, they have a total of 33 branches nationwide. TikTok recently opened its head office and commissary that will serve as a new home to more opportunities and upcoming food ventures. The following are the TikTok products: milk tea with flavors winter melon, caramel, Okinawa, brown sugar black tea latte, brown sugar boba, Hokkaido, Thai, oolong milk tea special, green tea, TikTok milk tea flavors. For fruit teas, lemon green tea, lemon black tea, water lemon fruit tea, TikTok passion fruit special. For fruit juices, they have lemon fruit juice. For signature crafted drinks, they have Sakura Red Velvet, strawberry milk, TikTok matcha milk, brown sugar boba milk, taro bubble milk, brown sugar boba milk. They also have snacks, TikTok fries, TikTok nachos, chili cheese fries, tuna sandwich, buffalo wings, barcada meals nachos, creamy carbonara, barcada meals mix, TikTok burgers, barcada meals, and chicken sandwich. Why franchise TikTok? One of the Filipinos' favorite drink is milk tea. They have a strong brand recall, proven business model, best quality, simple and easy to operate, good return on investment, continuous operations and marketing support. Franchise partnerships. TikTok also flourished fruitful partnerships as a franchise with celebrities and influencers such as Anna Kay, of beauty and lifestyle blogger, Viy Cortez, a social media celebrity, couple Camille Trinidad and Jayzam Manabat, popularly known as Jamill, both bloggers, and couple Neri and Chito Miranda, famous celebrities. TikTok franchise packages. They offer counter type package. The franchise package is worth 600,000 pesos exclusive of VAT, and the required area is 20 to 25 square meter. They also offer dine-in type package. The franchise package is worth 960,000 pesos exclusive of VAT. The required area is 80 to 100 square meters. The following are the franchise inclusions. The franchise includes 4-year contract with comprehensive product training, brand rights and use of brand logo, rights to use operations and recipe manual, hands-on training for franchisees and service staff, system-wide franchise marketing support, initial products and raw materials, both for bar and kitchen, basic equipment, point of sale system, and they provide assistance for soft and grand opening. For the contact details, please contact TikTok Main with the address Uniark Plaza, Barangay San Pedro Morong, Rizal, Philippines. You can visit their website through www.tiktok.ph. Their Facebook page is TikTok Main. You can email them at tiktok.main@gmail.com, or you may contact them at 0917-126-2273 or 0917-149-1408 or 0917-100-1579. What are you waiting for? Get a franchise of TikTok today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for them to be informed on our next educational videos here at Top 10 Republic, where you will enjoy learning things while watching.